Hello dear students, welcome back once again on my YouTube channel. In this video, I am coming by taking some rules of the topic atomic structure of the class 11th. As all of you are seeing in previous video, I had discussed some rules. In this, I have also discussed to explain about some rules. In this sequence, two rules of Wow principle and N plus A rule. These rules are very important. All of you are saying sometimes if you are doing the configuration of atomic number of any atom, then there are some problems all of you are facing. That problem I have to solve here. So let's start. Topic, you know, atomic structure. And class 11th. You know, not only in class 11th, from 9th standard up to onwards 12th, you are saying there are many questions in which first of all you have to do the configuration. So this is very important. It means basically you have to know about the configuration of the atoms. It means their atomic number. Suppose that any atom is given and you are going to do the configuration. So how you have to do? So your configuration which you are writing going to be correct. You have to follow first of all Wow principle. You are saying here Wow, which means building up. It means the formation of anything. As you are seeing here also in atom form by the combination of electrons, protons and neutrons. In electrons, how the distribution is inside the atom in different cells, in their subcells and in the orbitals, I have to explain here. According to this rule, listen, electrons enters in different cells in increasing order of their energy. So see here, suppose K, L, M and N. These are the cells. So first of all, you have to follow this. It means the cell which one is coming in last here having more energy than that of the previous one. So this is the increasing order of energy in cells. Or in numbers you can write K, it means that first cell, L it means that second cell, and it means that third and in fourth. So this is the order of the energy in different cells. After that, all of you know, these cells also having subcells. Subcells like S, P, D and F. You know, F having more energy than that of D and D having more energy than that of P and S having less energy than that of P. So this is here the energy order in different subcells. If you are going to fill up the electrons, then you have to focus your mind over the aqua building. As I am writing here, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 6s, 6p, 6d, 7s. If you want, you can mention here 7p. See the sequence. Electron firstly enters in 1s, then after in 2s, 2p, 3s, like this. Firstly, electron entering 1s, then after return back, an electron enters in 2s. After that, you have to again, then after return and 2p, 3s, then after. In this way, you have to fill up the electrons in different cells and in their subcells. In this way, electrons are filling in different subcells S, P, D and F. One thing more, you know S having maximum 2 electrons, P having 6 and D having 10 and in F having 14 electrons. Suppose that atomic number of any atom is given, then how you have to fill up electrons there? Like hydrogen, it means 1s1. It means first cell S subcell and having 1 electron. Suppose that given helium 2, it means that 1s2. First cell S subcell and having 2 electrons. Suppose that in sequence given lithium having number 3, it means 1s2 and 2s1. Second cell having S subcell and in this there is only 1 electron, because the total number of electrons equal to the atomic number and here atomic number is 3. So 2 electrons are here and 1 electron is here. In this way, any atom's configuration if you are going to do, then you have to follow this. Suppose that any another sodium I have taken, then 1s2, 2s2 and then I add 2 to 4. Remains, you have to subtract from here. Then after you are saying 6, 2, 2, 4, 6, 10. 1 remain here. It means you are seeing here 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s. It means last electron enters in third cell S subcell and number of electron is there only 1. In this way you have to do the configuration. I think you can't feel any problem if you are preparing this and following this as it is given here. But in some exceptional examples, some atoms, as you know, are as an exception. In those atoms you have to follow another rules. I will tell you in some advanced heading. In this way you can also check out in first cell having 2 electrons, in second cell having 6 to 8, 6 to 8 and then after in third cell having 1. So how many electrons are in first? 2. In second cell and in third cell 1. After that anyone asks you in subcells, then you are saying here in first cells S subcell having 2, second cell having 2 subcell S and P and you are saying S is complete and P also complete, and after that third having 3S, 3P, 3D. But you are saying electron is only 1, that's why it is coming here in S subcell. So in this way you will be able to do the configuration. But some examples as exceptional I am saying to you, you have to do the configuration either by following N plus L rule or one point you have to remember, those atoms are more stable, having stable configuration, it means complete or fulfill their subcells, in that of those having incomplete subcells. So to explain another things I have to use next rule, that one is N plus L rule. What is N plus L rule? If you are going to fill up the electrons, then you have to follow this also. According to this rule, you are saying 1s, 2s, 2p. These are the subcells. These are the subcells. And you are saying, and I can also explain this, electron firstly enters in which, for that having n plus L value lowest. Once again, electron firstly enters in that subcell for which having n plus L value lowest. So I check out this lowest value. How I have to check? Suppose that out of this I have taken suppose 4s and 3d. I do know n is equal to 4 and here n is equal to 3. At the time of quantum numbers I have written S, P, D and F. Values of L 0, 1, 2 and 3. So you are saying here for S L is equal to 0 and for this D L is equal to 2. So n plus L 4 plus 0 it means 4 and for here n plus L 3 plus 2 it means 5. As I am narrating, electron will enter firstly there having n plus L value lowest. It means in 4s. Firstly enters, then after in 3d. And you are seeing here, you can check 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, then after in 3d. It means electron firstly enters in 4s. This is the first point of n plus L rule. After that, one more problem will come which I have to solve. Suppose that you are doing the configuration, but for the two subcell, value of n plus L is coming same, then electron will firstly enters there having lowest value of n, it means principal quantum number. So I have to solve this type of problem. Suppose that I have taken 3d and 4p. Once again, as previous you have done and seen also, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4. For d, n is equal to, you can check out from there and put it here 2, and for p, L is equal to 1. So n plus L 3 plus 2 it means 5, and here n plus L 4 plus 1 it means 5. As I am saying, for the two or more subcells, if you are doing, then you will find value of n plus L coming same. As in the second point I am narrating, electron will enter firstly there if n plus L value is coming same, having value of n is lowest. You are seeing here having n3 and here having 4. So electron will enter firstly in 3d in comparison to 4p. So here you are seeing 3d, then after 4p is coming. In this way, you can do the configuration of any atom, and I think your problem is going to be solved. But sometimes there are some exceptional atoms and their configuration you have to follow that point which I am narrating few minutes before. See, suppose that given chromium 24 atomic number, then after copper 29, do the configuration of this 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. After that also count 2 to 4, 6, 10, 12 and 6, 18 and 2, 20. Remain 4 electrons remain. and after that you are seeing 4s, then after 3d. In this way your configuration completed, but this will not be, in place of this will be 4s1 and 3d 5. As I am narrating, those subcells having either full filled or half filled more stability than that of the incompletely filled subcells. You are seeing these two in the half filled stage, it means more stable than that of these two. This is the reason, that's why configuration of chromium will be like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1 and 3d5. By following this phenomena, you can do such type of atoms and their configurations. I like in copper also, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d. Count 2, 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 6, 18, 20, remains 9, so 9 atom will be here. But this one is also incorrect. Here in place of this will be 4s1, 3d, 10. As you are seeing, this one is full filled, it means becomes stable, and this one is half filled, it means also becomes stable. So for being more stable, this type of configuration is present in this type of elements. I hope that if you are following these all points, then any type of problem you can't feel, and easily you can do the configuration of any atoms and their atomic numbers. In next video I meet you by taking some more important points. Thanks.